Hi, today is 19th of April 2026. Time is about 6 50 here in Slough. I just want to show you there is a church over there, as you can see. Police car is there. But I want to show you another mosque here, which is church converted into mosque. You can see. I want to be careful. Hampshire Avenue, as you can see. Hampshire Avenue. My international audience, Muslim or non-Muslim, brother and sisters, that's your second coming of Jesus. Devil, Satan, Muhammad, God, Bhagwan, God business, Antichrist, Uncle the Jar, I don't know, whatever. You know, this mosque, church is a lot of black people come to that church over there, and this church is he bought this building with Arab money. This man from Taliban visa, literally Mulvi visa, Mufti visa, literally same sector. Did work permit. I came to England, and I used to go that Tabligh Jamaat. This mosque, he sued them actually. No, he sued the previous mosque, I don't know. And the British judge, because they sponsored him, mosque sponsored him, and they sponsored him, and he got on the pay slip. They were paying him so much money, the mosque council, mosque committee. You know, the people, clergy, the Carvan, mosque Carvan, church machine, mosque machine, mandir machine, gurdwara machine, money laundering, whatever. But on the paper, but they were not paying him on the actually. They were saying we sponsored you, and you should claim benefits or something. I don't know, but judge loved it for some reason, because I already applied for patent office, and my beloved judge. No, for application, you know, the Solar City, judge loved it, and he white judge English. I think it was a white. He gave them, man, that's a cruelty. You're not paying judge Shabana, ma'am, practicing Muslim. You're not paying that Molvi, Mulana, David Cameron is Milana, Mulana Sahab. Free money, free world. Slavery to Mulana, 60,000 pound. 1 second. Molvis are coming. One man, did you saw that with the baby Jesus? That's 2 in 1. I'm carrying baby Jesus, local council. And that's where the council tax come. There's another uncle doing this. Look. This uncle. Young uncle. Oh, saying, everybody know you, no one. Oh, yeah. And the judge, I think that was 2010 or 11 somewhere. And at 60,000 pound, this mosque, 60,000 pound, judge awarded, paid mosque on bankrupt. And I don't know, they paid him or not. They have to. That's my beloved England. And Molvi visa. I want to randomly in a mosque. What will happen? Jihadi Tarzan. Anyways, I was gonna say, yeah. So they paid him 10. Then he got Pathan together. You know, like proper Taliban, original Taliban. Rolly Walker, you were busy over there killing Packies and all that sort of stuff. And Nick Griffin, no, other one. Nicholas Carter, yeah. Sir Steer Carter, no, the other one. Sir Patrick Sanders, whatever, yeah. Proper Taliban. Pathan group and Punjabi group, Tan Manjeet Singh Desi, Turban, Osama bin Laden, Ajay Banga, you know. Punjabi Rishi Sani Hindu come later. This because there's a Jewish Israeli companies who work 9/11 Jack who provide the hunter-gatherers testosterone satisfaction. I shouldn't go on. That's complicated. Anyways, so fight happened in a mosque. They killed Sunan. Say sack. He bought this with the Arab some money. Money. So he start new business. He bought the church. Jesus is here. Hello. What's in the name? My beloved brother, Bangshi, Chinese self-fulfilling prophecies. Where is the corona? Everyone is isolated. You corona. Zelensky, na, Karma Illuminati saying. Man, in Russia, na, Ukraine, only reports are taking over. Anyways, here's my beloved Punjabi team, Pathan team. मैं हूँ Pathan. Imran Khan came later 2014. Narendra Modi, Islamization, that came later. Anyway, I'm gonna cross the road. Because uncle's not gonna like it. Come here, look, uncle. They're not gonna like it. Some random names. My beloved England, Slough. I will later on mention the mosque. There is an Indian shop there. My actual Indian and Pakistani, especially and Afghani and Bangladeshi brothers and sisters. I will make another special video separately. That's I think 2 billion people, but that's not 1 in a million. I am. Everyone is individual. I am 1 in a million. No man, I am 1 in 8 billion people. Everyone is an individual then. Everyone is 1 in 8 billion. Yeah. If they're gonna deport me now, all of Muslim, Pakistani, Browns, they revoke nationalities, give a visas, collective punishment, collective rewards, community sentence. Man, which English gone? Everyone is Luqman Rahman. Donald Trump said, no more Afghanis. Look, he is man. Luqman Rahman, Afghani. All Afghanis gonna get punishment. Donald Trump said, civilization will die. Anyway, I was gonna say, let me speak. Here's some Paki jokers are coming. Indian. 1 second. Here's my beloved police coming. Rwanda, look. They know me, Uncle watch it. Auntie, did you saw that? Quite worried about it. Man, random video. Man, waking around, you're gonna stop me, delete the video. Random passing by police, Thames Valley police. Watch it now, charge it. Ask YouTube. Not allowed to make a video here. Bullshit. I'm gonna make ये जो है ना gonna switch to Urdu and Hindi. I don't know what's Punjabi. मैं ना आपके लिए स्पेशल बनाऊंगा वीडियो जो मेरे YouTube के ये सारे बेचारे स्टूडेंट वीज़े पे आए हैं. ऑफलाइन काम करना पड़ता है इनको इंडिया से. डिलीवरियाँ ये अंकल खाना खा रहे हैं फैमिली के साथ. विक्टिम बुरखा भी है, स्कार्फ भी है. पुलिस आंटी तो मुझे गुस्से से देख रही थी. पुलिस अंकल ये मैं उधर वो सिख वीरो ते भैड़ो उधर ना बड़ी अच्छी शॉप है. और मैं जोन ना पैकी ना जेह्ड़े इन्होंने कोई ग्रुप न मैनू ना उन्होंने स्पेशल ग्रुप च रहना पैना. पैकिया ना कोई ग्रुप है. मैं पाकिस्तानी ही मुस्लिम पैकी बास्टर्ड ना मैं ओए कार तक कार आई पुलिस नहीं कार तकड़े चढ़नी भैड़ ये स्टॉप करो भैड़. प्रिंस एंड्रयू मेरा ब्रदर झाड़ा पिया. अच्छा मैं तुसां वास्ते ना स्पेशल यार मैं ना तुसां वास्ते स्पेशल वीडियो लैदा पढ़ासा ते उर्दू विच भी ते हिंदी भी. यार समय की बात है, बॉलीवुड तो मुझे समझ आती है लेकिन जो वीडियो से देखेंगे मेरा बड़ा दिल करता है अल्लाह की कसम से वाराणसी जाऊँ हिंदू भाइयों के लिए ना. उधर से जब ये सोलर ट्री और ये कार चलाए ना मेरी उसकी इनागुरेशन वो मैं करूँ ना, मेरा बड़ा दिल करता है मैं गुरुद्वारे उधर नहीं है अमृतसर वाला, उधर जाऊँ, गोल्डन टेम्पल जाऊँ तो इफ्तिताह करूँ। लेकिन मसला ये हो जाएगा ना, फिर ये जो कनाडा के ये जो ऑफिसर हैं जन्नत में पहुँचे हुए हैं पाकिस्तानी मुस्लिम आंटी उनकी बेटी है, वो तो राजा रिजवान मुश्ताक है ट्रिनिटी वो तो बेटी तो मैं हूँ यार जी, वो बाद में बताऊँगा मैं आपको। ये इधर मैं रहता था, मुझे इंग्लिश में स्विच होने दो। 36 2014 and was just ahead 236. Where is the flat? Yeah. The consul, they asked me, the Pakistani landlord, वो just 220 pound per month. I couldn't believe that. That's very cheap. That's electric volt. I said, no man. What's the voltage? 110 or 220? Man. So I was so happy. Local council said, no, we're not gonna give you money. Your landlord is a scam or something. They did not give me, honest to God. I don't know, should I said over? I don't know. The management fraud. They did not give me. I mean, they give me a tenancy agreement. And 1 second. चाइल्ड लाला सुनिया आंटी वाइट आंटी बांग्लादेशी नो नहीं चाइल्ड लाला quite fair looking my granny, that's my, I got vagina and everything. Bully shit came, child lala, red coloring. Oh, over there going bully shit. Rest is one auntie na granny, they bought it, my ancestor was a white woman. Honest to God, that's the reflection going on. Should I go through or not? I think I should. This very place. You see that? Why just switch? Just with the video should not come. Imagine if at the police station. British law. I have to fly in a car. Holy shit. Sorry, mind my French. That Bataclan come later on. What happened? परी तो उसको कहते हैं ना, ये देखो तुम्हारी परी, परी ज़ाद, ये देखो मेरे पास माँ है, which movie, हाँ, they understand. Pari. Women make Praya. Pari's Praya. Joe Biden saying to Mohammed bin Salman, another gangster, dictator, is a terrorist, I don't know, and havoc on the planet Earth. Competition between Netanyahu, sports, Sudan war, one team sponsoring by another brown Muslim, UAE, another Muslim, Mohammed bin Salman, and American weapons, Israeli, Russian, man, natural selection, surviving for fittest. Oh, my thieves very police. Anyway, yeah, I was actually talking about the Islamization. So, who is sponsoring all that? His name Fida Hussain. मैं हूँ पठान डीन खान और चड़ेल डैड खान पंजाबी एंड पठान awesome night voting Akhwanis happily live after fucking them na everybody actually. Then previous journals na happily living in Europe somewhere, got a Belgium, last one Kamar Bajwa got a Belgium nationality I believe. Then coming to England, they come to heaven promised land here. I don't know which England I was living. They have to offshore accounts. Donald Trump's hunting oil tankers only in a free ocean, man. Which world I was living. Go on, prove it. Yeah. Watch. 1 second. Paddy bar. And which English is that? Persian. Farsi is Paris is the stone actually in Farsi, Iranian legendary stone, mythological stone. Touch anything, become gold. There is Andrew Valley. There is another stone also. Die, they say, na die. Don't die tomorrow. Andrew Valley is not Bank of England. Actually, Donald Trump's favorite federal bank. The one who printed dollars. One federal bank. Operation Overload, man. Man, Google it. You reflect the dollars. Someone has reflect and go for jail in long time. Reflecting. Mirror, who is the prettiest one? Snow White. So noted. Mirror, who is the prettiest one? Mirror, who is the prettiest one? I am 54 years old. My date of birth is 26 January 1972. I used to come here. There used to be a council offices to register my children with my ex-wife. We used to come together. I'm go for British citizenship. British marriage also are registered here. British citizen. I'm going to. There is last night my daughter youngest daughter. Hey, is a police coming. Youngest daughter full alert. Why not red lights? 1 second. Let them go. Look at this side. car uncle, police uncle. My youngest daughter Jannat Kausar Rizwan. Everything is explicitly explained. Date of birth 13th of April 2004, and I came back from Hawaii 1994 from Hawaii. Heathrow landed 13th of April. I will talk about that journey. My airline, my lovely airline, Alhamdulillah, American Airline gave me a first class ticket so I can travel. 1999. This daughter got cesarean in Waxham Park Hospital. Over there. Over there. Yeah. Why did she call last night? I'm depressed. Taking my hand. Calling Packy. Man, they make a report. I wonder which one is that, the dark web. Pakistani भाइयों एंड बहनों, रिकॉर्डलेस आपका कोई भी मज़हब है और इंडियन बहन भाइयों, रिकॉर्डलेस आपको जो इंडिया में तो बहुत ज़्यादा, बल्कि मैं बाद में वीडियो बनाऊंगा। मैं तो गांधी जी का अल्लाह की कसम से प्रॉपर सपोर्टर था। मैं जब पता नहीं कितना छोटा होता था पाकिस्तान वगैरह में, तो मैं बड़ा सपोर्टर था कि पार्टीशन होनी नहीं चाहिए थे। मुझे पाकिस्तान में नहीं किसी ने कहा, इधर किधर बड़ा मसला बन गया। अल्लाह की कसम से ये दुश्मनियाँ तो पढ़नी ही नहीं चाहिए थी। नरेंद्र मोदी तो आपका आया ना 2014 में, मनमोहन सिंह जेलम से, वो भी जेलम से ही थे अंकल। चकवाल पहले जेलम में होता था अंग्रेज के दौर में। हाँ जी, चलो बाद में बात करेंगे। ये इन अंकल को क्या आती है, कारों वाले अंकल को। आंटियाँ ये काफ़ी आए हुए हैं भी, आ जाओ। मैंने देखा था, देखो हमारा तो आंटी के मुँह कवर किया हुआ था। मैं नहीं आऊँ। इंडिया पाकिस्तान की कार है। इधर कौंसल होती है ना, इधर एशियन कहलाती हैं ये चूतिए, डार्क वेब इधर से बनती हैं। शबाना महमूद ਪ੍ਰੀਤੀ ਪਟੇਲ ਮਲਾਲਾ ਯੂਸਫਜ਼ਈ ਨੂੰ ਨੋਬਲ प्राइज़ मिलना सी मेरी बेटी पता नहीं किधर गई हैं किस रीजन से हैं वो anyways I think it's better to talk in English there is a translator MI6 looking na lots of multilingual and taxpayer have a Russian company having a laugh. We don't want to have a layoff. They are having a laugh. What's that? Rishi Sunak, businessman. Low. What was that? Low. Not bread loaf. Something to do with the. Something, I don't know what scheme was that he was giving benefit during Corona. You have to earn £10,000 a month now. You get £88,000 for doing nothing. Victims, doctor, engineer. Oh yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, oh. Victims, doctors. Yeah, victims and doctors. Yeah. This youngest daughter na, out of 4, you know the reason I'm mentioning her, because the girl is me, the underage. That's hormonal imbalance, 20%. I will talk about her, the trinity. As long as I got vagina, uterus, what else? All the equipments. Costa Samania, Pistorius na, on the wheelchair, Costa Samania. No, the football na, only the man only can play. No, trans cannot play. Man, biggest tragedy to happened already to mankind. No, not Trump said civilization will die if there was no solar city. That I don't know, other more, inshallah ta'ala, Islam. Man, church shootings, stabbings. Who was sponsoring all that? King Charles is thinking, no, converting to Muslim. What sect is gonna? I see, man, where were they in my life? Grammatically incorrect. Where were they in my life? I think it was before. That's my daughter, na, Jannat Kaushar Rizwan. Roughly about over 22-year-old. That's one. I will talk about Sana Nida Rizwan, Alia Nisa Rizwan, and third number son. No, not third. One number on the third on the sequence. Ibrahim Muhammad Rizwan and Jannat Kaushar Rizwan. That's her flat. Somewhere here. He called me last night. Daddy, when I'm depressed, I said, I'm coming for you now. Then she disappeared. I don't know who's playing. She's living alone. Islam, Muslim mullah. Jesus is taking much greater need of the. I don't know what is a greater bullshit. That's not even a bullshit. I think okay, that's enough, and I will make more videos today. Bye bye.